What's up guys, Jimmy here. So today, uh, ang topic natin ay about sa Emir Cup. So, ang schedule ay first game is Kings versus NAEU 004. The next match is yung sa Chess versus Sombra. So, detailed schedule is World Championship semifinals is June 27, then yung finals is June 28. So, yung winner nung Group A maglalaban winner nung Group A at Group B ay maglalaban for finals. Then, legend match. Kung sino yung manalo dito sa Group A and Group B, itatapat sa Korean Server Champion Team. Then, dito, sa atin to. So, ito, nagkaroon na ng rules. So, mas malino na dito na ilatag na yung mga rules and regulations. So, ito na yung points earned. So, Tower of Victory. So, dilino na dito. Di gaya nung last Emir Cup. So, schedule. Finals 51. Monday 28. So, ito, yung semi-final schedule bracket. So, Kings versus Isekai. Ganun pa pala. Basta ito eh. Semifinals. So, ang mangyayari, diba? Nakalagay na dito eh. Semifinals, division server. Palo Pero, dito, ang muna dito is Kings, then Uni Revival, then dito is Hero and Chess. So, laban ata sila eh. NAEU 004. Parang naglaban na nga. kung sino mo. Pero ito yung bracketing nila. So, wish natin na chess ang manalo since si Boss Dutch. Si Boss Dutch malupit. So ito, nalatag din pala nila rito yung mga participating clans na yung schedule. Okay, okay. So, ito siya kung ano, makita nyo sa events Legends of Emir na nandito yung live stream. So, wala pala yung broadcast. Pero yun na nga yung match eh, no? Nakalagay na dito, Kings vs NAEU. So, sila na nga yan, Kings, NAEU. Malakas yung NAEU. Ako tinalo nila yung ano, hero. Rocketing ito ba? Malakas yun, no? NAEU. Ako tinalo ng chess pala ang hero. So, laban na pala sila. Yun, hope chess ang manalo kasi andyan ang mga boss natin galing sa PBJ. Wala saan chess ngayon, wala saan chess. Matatago sila sa Kings. So ito, may bagong inad na survival. So nagdagdag sila ng life mode. New match structured when survival decision determine victory. Character revival opportunities are limited and factors beyond the raw combat power such as entry, timely decision, and protecting key members become decisive variables in battle. Next is victory reward enhancement. Rewards scale up that raise the weight of victory. By enhancing the rewards provided to winning server, clan, and participating warriors, we raise the motivation to join the tournament and depend immersion in the pursuit of victory. Ultimate victory. The World Championship in Korea is a stage that decides the world's strongest. Wake Cup Season 2 is a World Cup. Sa Korea pala. So, ayun yung Season 2. Mas pinalaki yung prize pool ng $400,000 worth of reward plus premium prizes. So, solid pala to. Dito yung broadcast. Tingnan natin broadcast. Ano ba itong broadcast? So ayun, hope na ang manalo is chess. Good luck sa other participants. Yun lang, hanggang sa muli. Paalam. Bye guys.